Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your inventory with TradeGecko, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your inventory with TradeGecko, start by logging into your TradeGecko account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Inventory tab on the dashboard. In the Inventory section, click on Products to view your entire product list. Locate the specific product you want to verify in your inventory. You can use the search bar to find the product quickly by entering its name or SKU. Once you find the product, click on it to open the product details page. Check the stock on hand section to see the current inventory levels. Next, compare this stock level with your physical inventory. If there are discrepancies, make a note of the differences. To make adjustments, go back to the products page and select the product again. On the product details page, look for the Adjust Stock option. Click on Adjust Stock to open the stock adjustment window. Here, you can enter the quantity you need to add or subtract from your inventory. Make sure to select the appropriate adjustment type. After filling in the necessary information, click on Save to update your inventory. Once saved, the new stock level will be reflected in the stock on hand section. To ensure accuracy, repeat this process for any other products you need to verify. After verifying all necessary products, run a report to assess your overall inventory accuracy. Navigate to the Reports section from the main dashboard. Select Inventory Reports to generate a comprehensive view of your inventory status. Review the reports to confirm your adjustments were successful. Finally, maintain a regular schedule for inventory verification to prevent discrepancies in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.